Hey, it is Tuesday, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Todd. I don't know, I haven't had an official name for it yet. But anyways, to give you a little background on me, I have a degree in culinary arts from Grossmont College, and in the last 3 years, I have created a company called Plan to Be Fit, which is a 6-month weight loss program. And so the purpose of all these videos that I'm going to be focusing on for the next couple months is to provide recipes and to create recipes that are healthy, low calorie, using alternatives to ingredients that you would find in other recipes. For example, like instead of using mayonnaise, we would use like a Greek yogurt, or say, in this case, we're going to be using veganese or vegan mayonnaise. I would definitely recommend Greek yogurt for a lot of things because it is high in protein but low in calories. So let's get started today. We are doing roasted cauliflower with Mexican street corn. Originally, I think I called this a vegan street corn. Unfortunately, I couldn't find vegan Parmesan, so we're going to be doing it with regular Parmesan. But to get started, what I did is I don't know if you can see this, but in this pan right here, I have 1 head of cauliflower, and then I also have 1 pound of frozen corn. What I did is I set the oven to 400 degrees, and then I made a mixture. It's a Mexican mixture. About 3/4 of it, and I put it on the cauliflower. So what I did first is I put about a tablespoon of olive oil, the Mexican seasoning, and then I let that cook for 20 minutes. And what I did with the corn is I let it thaw, then I dried it out with some paper towels. Then I added some olive oil, about a teaspoon of chili powder, and then I diced up, or I large diced some red onions, so half a red onion, the other half we're actually going to use for the tacos. Season that all up with a little bit of salt. Cook that for about 20 minutes. It's already been cooked. I just warmed it up a little bit. And then at the very end, once it's all been cooked, and you want a little bit of a char on the cauliflower, is you want to add 1 garlic clove to the cauliflower and 1 garlic clove to the corn. You're going to mix that garlic clove, and you're just going to put it, you're going to stir it up. That gives garlic. That's one of my favorite things to do now, is to add garlic at the very end. And so it does heat up, but it doesn't like make it like strong pungent as you get it. So now, pretend that's cooking right now. We're going to start making our sauces, and that is for the Mexican street corn. The first thing we're going to do is we have half the juice of lime plus the zest from a full lime. We're going to put that into a bowl. Then we have a 1/3 cup of veganese in this case, and like I said, you can use regular mayonnaise, you can use sour cream, you can use Greek yogurt, whatever you want, as long as it's 1/3 cup. So like I said, I started off with juice of half a lime, zest of 1 lime, then I got a half teaspoon of salt, that all in there. And then we have a half a cup of chopped cilantro. I don't know if you know this about cilantro, but you can actually use the stems and the leaves. I'm going to put that all in there. So as we're pretending that the ingredients are cooking, we're just going to stir that all up. Oh, and then I forgot, we also have 1 teaspoon of water, just to kind of thin it out a little bit. We're just going to let that sit. And while that sits, that's all the flavors are going to come together, and then we're going to start working on the peach chipotle sauce. This was the final product, but essentially it's 4 tablespoons of peach puree. It's 1/4 cup of veganese, 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder and 1 garlic that's been minced, and then you just mix that all up and you get the sauce. What I did, because I found it a little too spicy, and this is what you do. If you find spicy, you can actually add about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. We got our peach sauce for our tacos. We have some limes for the tacos. We got some extra cilantro. We got some red onions. So this is all we're going to put on top of the tacos. And we have our tortillas from yesterday. So this came out really nice. What I'm going to do with these, I'm actually going to put them in a damp paper towel. And we're going to microwave them for about 30 seconds. You can also do this on the pan. We did yesterday when we made them. But I find that this is a little bit easier and quicker. So stick it in a damp paper towel, 30 seconds. It will soften up. So when it comes to the corn, so the corn's been done. I'm going to put that in the bowl. And this gives you about 3.5 cups of crispy corn. So like I said, when I originally did this, I set the oven to 400 degrees. Diced half of onion, large dice. Then I took the corn and I roasted it in the oven with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of salt. Then at the very end, when I took it out, I added one minced clove of garlic. This all together, and like I said, we have our dressing or whatever you want to call it, whatever it's on the corn. That's going to go right into this bowl. We're going to stir that up, and then we're going to top it off with some cilantro for garnish, along with Parmesan cheese. And then what I did is, the recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. I did 1 tablespoon of tortilla cheese, which is what I had from the other day, and then I have 3 tablespoons of the Parmesan cheese. All right, so that's all been put into the bowl. There. So now we're going to add the 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of tortilla cheese with a half teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to finish that off with our Veganese cilantro lime dressing. Stir that all up. Combined. Now we got it all nice and combined, and then take a little bit of cheese tacos, put that on top, and then finish it off with a little bit of cilantro. And there you go. You got yourself a Mexican street corn that you can serve with any dish. You can clean that up a little bit with a paper towel. You want to serve this? Should serve about 3 to 4 people. That it's actually very good. All right, so now back to our tacos. So our tacos, we created the peach sauce, then the cauliflower. So that's been cooked. It's got a little bit of char on it. So let's begin our tacos. So we got our shell, flour tortilla, a little bit of our cauliflower on there. Avocado. I don't know if anybody's ever cut an avocado, but that's my option. You just take it, your hands are away, but cut down the middle, all the way around, twist it off, take your knife if you can, go in there, take the seed out. And then my recommendation, since we're doing slices here, is take a spoon, go in there, and go around. Take the entire avocado out, and then once it's out, take your handy knife, cut little slices, then I would also add a little bit of lime juice just to keep it brownie, and then if you want, you can also add a little bit of salt and pepper to them. So we got our slices, so that would be next, our little avocado slices. Then we got our red onions that I diced earlier. And then I'm going to take lime. Of lime, and then we're going to finish it with our pizza sauce. Lay that right on top. And then finally, we're going to get a little bit of cheese and finish it with a little bit of cilantro. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to put that on a plate. There you go. Your roasted cauliflower taco. And then we'll serve it with our... Like I said, this will make about 6 to 8 tacos. You want to make sure your plate is nice and clean. There you go. Enjoy. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, please go ahead and feel free to contact me. Otherwise, there you go. There's my demonstration of Mexican street corn with some roasted cauliflower tacos with a Chipotle pizza sauce. Thank you for coming. We'll see you next time.